In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where you can't turn on or off real-time protection in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's start with what real-time protection actually is. This is a key feature of Microsoft Defender, the built-in antivirus in Windows. It constantly scans your files and apps as you use your computer, helping to block malware in real time. Normally, you can toggle this feature on or off from the Windows security settings. But sometimes, that switch is grayed out, disabled, or it just doesn't respond. That's the problem we're going to fix. First, open the Start menu and type Windows Security, then open the app. On the left side, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, look for Real-Time Protection. If the toggle is grayed out or stuck, this usually means there's a policy, a registry setting, or a third-party tool blocking the change. Before going deeper, make sure no other antivirus program is installed and active. If you previously installed another antivirus, it may have taken control of real-time scanning and disabled Microsoft Defender's controls. In that case, either temporarily disable or completely uninstall that third-party antivirus, then restart your computer and check the real-time protection toggle again. If the problem persists, the next step is to check Windows built-in policy settings. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type gpedit.msc, and open the local group policy editor. Note that this tool is usually available on Pro and Enterprise editions of Windows. In the editor on the left panel, navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and then Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Look for a setting called Turn Off Real-Time Protection. Double-click it. If it's set to Enabled, that means real-time protection is being blocked. Change it to either Disabled or Not Configured, then click Apply and OK. Close the editor, restart your computer, and try the toggle again inside Windows Security. If you don't have the Group Policy Editor, or if the setting there looks fine but the toggle still doesn't work, the next likely cause is a registry value. Editing the registry should be done carefully. Press the Windows key, type regedit, and open the registry editor. In the address bar at the top, paste the path for Microsoft Defender's real-time protection settings. Once you're in the correct key, look for values that explicitly disable real-time protection, such as entries set to 1 for disabling. Change those values to 0 or delete them if they are clearly policies that were added by older tools or scripts. After making changes, close the registry editor and restart your PC. Finally, after the restart, go back into Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection, and check the real-time protection toggle. It should now allow you to turn it on or off normally, depending on what you need at the moment.